Hey, this is Jay from Liquid Web, and this is load balancing in 60 seconds. Let's say you run an e-commerce shop for brake pads. Traffic to your site continues to increase, but your customers are reporting that your website is occasionally slow. That can happen when you have just one VPS or one dedicated server serving all of that traffic. So how do you scale up from one web server? The answer? Load balancing. Load balancing efficiently distributes incoming web traffic across a pool of backend servers. When a customer visits your website, their session is intercepted by a load balancer, a sort of traffic cop, in front of your web servers. This load balancer then directs traffic to an individual web server in the server pool behind it. And look at that. Now your web app can handle more simultaneous connections. Congestion drops to zero, and you can sell more brake pads. As a bonus, if a single server goes down, the load balancer redirects traffic away from that server to one of the web servers that's still online. Scaling for web requests, web app resiliency, more brake pad sales. My name is Jay, thanks for watching, and that's load balancing in 60 seconds.